So we talk about sciatic pain, back pain, leg pain. So we did the front treatment, the leg, around the knee point, the side of the thigh. Now, local point also can be used to treat the back muscle spasm. When the muscle is too tight, you cannot put the needles right away, because when you insert needles, the muscle will be getting tighter initially, and some people get anxious because the tight muscle squeeze the needles. So what we do is we'll ask the patient lie on the back, do some local point we showed before on the hand, around the knee, and once they relaxed, then we can do some local point to clear up, especially when there is a herniated disc or protrusion of the disc. The nerves are swelling, so we need to improve the local circulation. That way the nerve swelling goes down, so the nerve will not degenerate in the future. And I mentioned that if the muscle tightness is too long, it presses the nerves and people can develop a dropping foot. So the local point on the back has two groups. And first, if you see this blue needles and a bunch of other needles, and this placed at the L4 level, and L4, L5, S1 is where the muscle get tight and have the pressure, and then it can irritate the sciatic nerve, and then you have the shooting pain to the back of your leg or to the side of your leg. So by putting those local needles, we can actually instantaneously, within a minute, relax the muscle. And most important thing is when you have nerve swelling, this improve the circulation will help the nerve to resume its function faster. And the other area, the remote point, can help you relax the muscle, but to bring the fresh blood flow to reduce the inflammation locally, and those local points are also very important. So you can do massage that will be relaxed when you don't have the pain, but your muscle, if it's in a spasm, then if you press there, your muscle will get tighter. So getting acupuncture treatment would be helping your relieving the pain much faster. Then this group of point on the back, so if we find the highest point on your spine, when you bend lower you head a little bit, there is this highest point, this is C7, and you go, because this lady is very skinny, it's very easy to locate the bone. So C7, T1, T2, and T3. And on T3, and you use two fingers next to your midline of the spine, and then you locate this point at T3 level. This helping relax the upper back muscle, because when we get stressed out, we put pressure here, and especially when you sitting too long, your muscle all get tight, and those muscle tightness not only irritates the nerve root here, making the multiple tender spot, but also it influences your lung function. So your lung cannot fully expand with the muscle irritates the nerves, and that can trigger panic attack, anxiety, and also it can increase the heart problems, because your heart cannot get enough oxygen and enough blood flow. The other point very important, it's also very tender spot for most people when they sit too long in front of computer. So that is the same line on this lung point. So you locate the C7, the highest, the bone mark there, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. On this T5, you're gonna draw a parallel line and draw a vertical line, 2 finger next to the spine, the midline of the spine, and then this point will be the hard point. And this hard point, the same thing, it's not only helping relax the local muscle, but it reduces the pressure on the nerve root, so your heart can get more blood flow. The heart muscle will contract, relax more efficiently. And especially when people have that irregular heartbeat, and that can slow down the heartbeat, make each beat more efficient. So that is the upper back shoe point and lower back point. So with those upper lower point, the whole back muscle will be relaxed. You reduce the pressure on the nerve root. So in order to keep this good result, so that you don't have to come to me or other acupuncturists once a week, twice a week, you need to do meditation, stretching, and acupressure points every day, because you sit every day, you use your computer and your phone every day. Thank you. If you tried other methods and you still have health issues, you should try acupuncture to see how it works, and combining the herbs, you can save money and time, be healthier and happier in 2024.